Cryptocurrency.
Deep dive.
Hello, and welcome to our podcast, the show where we break down the most exciting topics in technology and finance to help you understand the world of tomorrow. Today, Today we're diving deep into a topic that has revolutionized the way we
Think about money and digital assets. Cryptocurrency.
Whether you're completely new to crypto or you've already dipped your toes in, this episode will take you on a comprehensive journey from the basics to the future of digital currencies. We'll cover what cryptocurrency actually is, how it works, its history, its benefits, and also the risks involved. So, get comfortable and let's unlock the world of cryptocurrency together. What is cryptocurrency?
So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional money issued by governments or central banks, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Think of cryptocurrency as money designed for the digital age. It doesn't exist in physical form like coins or bills, but lives entirely online. The crypto part refers to the cryptographic techniques that secure transactions and control the creation of new units. This security makes it extremely difficult to counterfeit or double spend.
The first and most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, created in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have been developed, each with unique features and purposes.
A key difference between cryptocurrency and traditional money is the absence of a central authority. No bank or government controls cryptocurrencies. Instead, they rely on a distributed ledger, a blockchain, that is maintained by a network of computers around the world. This decentralization aims to increase transparency, reduce fraud, and give users more control over their money.
Cryptocurrency can be used for a variety of purposes, from simple peer-to-peer money transfers to more complex financial applications like smart contracts and decentralized finance. History of cryptocurrency.
To understand cryptocurrency today, it's helpful to look back at how it all began. The story starts with Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, which was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto published a white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, that outlined a new way to transfer value directly between people without needing a trusted third party like a bank. Bitcoin was revolutionary because it solved a long-standing problem in digital payments called the double spending issue, making sure digital money can't be copied and spent twice. By using a blockchain, Bitcoin created a public ledger where every transaction is recorded and verified by a global network of computers, or nodes. This innovation laid the foundation for the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem.
Initially, Bitcoin was mostly used by tech enthusiasts and cryptographers. It took several years for it to gain broader recognition, partly due to its association with dark web markets and the volatility of its price. However, as more people began to see the potential of decentralized money, interest grew rapidly.
Following Bitcoin, many other cryptocurrencies, often called altcoins, were launched. Some aim to improve upon Bitcoin's design, offering faster transaction speeds or more privacy features. One of the most significant breakthroughs came in 2015 with the launch of Ethereum, created by Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. This innovation enabled decentralized applications, or dApps, and paved the way for decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs.
Over the past decade, cryptocurrency has evolved from a niche curiosity into a global financial phenomenon. Institutional investors, governments, and corporations have all begun exploring or adopting crypto, signaling that it's here to stay.
How cryptocurrency works. Understanding how cryptocurrency works starts with the technology behind it. The blockchain. Simply put, a blockchain is a distributed ledger, a record of all transactions that is shared across a network of computers called nodes. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain, hence the name blockchain.
When someone makes a transaction, like sending Bitcoin to a friend, the transaction details are broadcast to the network. Nodes then verify the transaction using complex mathematical algorithms. This verification process ensures the sender has enough balance and that the transaction isn't fraudulent.
Once verified, the transaction is bundled with others into a block. This block is then added to the existing chain, creating a permanent and unchangeable record. One of the key innovations in blockchain is the consensus mechanism, the way nodes agree on the validity of transactions. The most common method is called proof of work, POW, used by Bitcoin. It requires miners, specialized computers, to solve difficult puzzles that confirm transactions. This process uses significant computational power and electricity, but ensures security and prevents fraud. An alternative consensus mechanism gaining popularity is proof of stake, POS, which relies on validators who lock up some of their cryptocurrency as stake and validate transactions in return for rewards. POS is more energy efficient and is used by newer networks like Ethereum 2.0. To store and use cryptocurrencies, users have digital wallets. These wallets contain private and public keys. The public key is like your bank account number. People can send you crypto using it. The private key is your secret password, used to sign transactions and access your funds. Keeping your private key safe is crucial, as losing it means losing access to your crypto.
Use cases and benefits.
Cryptocurrencies offer several unique benefits compared to traditional money and finance.
First, decentralization. Because cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks without a central authority, they reduce the risk of censorship or government interference. This is especially important in countries with unstable currencies or restrictive banking systems. Second, security. Transactions on a blockchain are encrypted and immutable, meaning once recorded, they can't be altered or deleted. This protects against fraud and increases trust in the system.
Third, faster and cheaper cross-border payments. Traditional international transfers can be slow and expensive due to intermediaries and fees. Cryptocurrencies can send money anywhere in the world almost instantly and at a fraction of the cost.
Beyond money transfers, cryptocurrencies enable smart contracts, programs that automatically execute terms when certain conditions are met. This opens possibilities for decentralized finance, DeFi, where lending, borrowing, and trading happen without banks, making financial services accessible to many who are unbanked.
Another exciting use is non-fungible tokens, or NFTs. These are unique digital assets representing ownership of art, music, collectibles, and more, proving authenticity and provenance on the blockchain.
Conclusion and final thoughts.
To sum up, cryptocurrency is an exciting and rapidly evolving technology that has already begun to change how we think about money, trust, and finance. From the invention of Bitcoin to the rise of Ethereum and the explosion of DeFi and NFTs, the crypto world is full of innovation and opportunity.
But it's also a space that requires caution due to volatility, risks, and uncertainty. The best approach is to stay informed, learn continuously, and be thoughtful about how you engage with cryptocurrencies.
Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with others curious about crypto.
Until next time, stay curious and
Keep exploring the future of finance.